Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. And in today's episode, this beautiful bride you see on your screen decided to celebrate her birthday on her wedding day, of course. So that's the day. Go, I'm unavailable. Them not the see me. Hey. Okay, so that's the day getting ready for her big day, of course. And one thing about this bride, this couple, their wedding is that it rained on their wedding day. Yes, so imagine or celebrating your birthday. Now you say tall, we take pictures. Now you know money at that day. Is it a blessing or what? Yes, yeah, they kind of say a blessing, of course. So that's the day in her beautiful gown and her bridesmaids, and then their groomsmen getting ready. Of course, father of the bride, Okasa will say, "Hey, Masa, move me burning cold because it is time. Time now, so me pesa me baby who fasting be time now so move and that is the day. Okay, so finally mohun the day in the final look and groomsmen mohun Okofa groomsmen be omunya during this time no omutimi disgrace you. Yes, so nsuo namu agrade bubom nanso mo se yebeware. Of course, these ladies too can dance papa because omani aje or best friend, or more sister, or more cousin, whatever it is. But or more nipa, our down, or commerce, and a worry. So they have to be happy. That's their cake, and of course, the groomsmen. I think this will be uh the leader, of course, a normal kind of thing. I've forgotten the man. I know sir ban bay made of fun, but Bemano, I've forgotten, forgive me. Okay, so that's the groomsman dancing, and then bride no, I can say hello darling. So, guys, this is our second couple for today's episode, and groomsmen will display kakra as just the end, of course, most share their course. So, and this is the groom, wabaju, wabajana dear, or the court. So, of course, their decoration was something different. Yes, it gave very different. I follow weddings, baby, but with this one, maybe a bit different. So that's a couple, and then bride, a hair, not also a different. And pen baby, a yananka, imano, ye prefer long hair, and not say you're tiny nina aqua training at the but with this one, she chose a different hair and then a different style, which makes her unique. Yes, so that's the bridesmaid, and then the bride, the groom, and then obana niema ana yete eba papa ga nefa oba emage. That is what it is. Okay, so the bride getting ready, and then the bride's sister. Charlie, she is beautiful. The groom and then the bride, of course. Omo flexica cra, omo maya 360 cra, omo church near mother king is here. Yes, and then king, Ninkwa. Then crow for yes, mekan Nkwa and for make us say, oh, you guys, what is the meaning? I mean, you're disrespecting us. Not in a bad way. I'm sorry for using that word. And of course, the bride. And can I get a hug? Hey, Ethel, I don't do. So the bridesmaids praying for the bride. Hey, when you are going, treat your husband special. I mean, they're telling her, Lord, they're praying for her, and then they're dancing because they have to make her happy, okay? nti omo be man jama kakra omo be hype ne kakra be bibia kakra man no, because they have to let her know say this day it's your day, and then you have to feel special. Show what them videos are sharp, but with this one, and it might be a money different. So, guys, this is our third couple for today's episode, and like I said, and it might be a money different. So, the momuhuna or being control. So, this couple here just say everything about them, that Prince and then Vanessa on my phone, everything about it. Different. So let's quickly talk about Obano, Sissy and home, of course, the ring, the makeup, the rope. Can't you see it's different from others? Can't you see it? Okay, so let's continue. Baby, Omukoye, I found a whole inni, and then can I see the decor? Of course, that's the decor, and things are different. Trust me. You will understand the reason in TMC, and you may be a year different. One thing I heard about Dallas, especially I for Dallas, is that somebody said it. I think somebody wrote it at our comment section. Say most of the times I for Dallas they are you fake. I don't know if it's true or not, but we are yet to find out. And then you say young bisa, but the person was sharing her story about how Uncle Fosi Beman fake Dallas during her wedding day. We are yet to find out. And of course, Omo buying. In fact, like I told you, this is different. Yes, quite different. So the reason why America said this wedding a year different is that one, a more reception a hot song. Trust me, a hot song. And then people came to fill the place. Do you get what I'm trying to say? People came there to fill, they filled the place. And then they danced in Papa 4, in Mura 4, just name them. They all danced. Obi horse Mrs. Yemi, but that day ne dear, oh Bia Kotoye, they all danced. Look at the bride. In fact, I giddy. Where uni masa, you can't go there. Uni masa, you can't go there. And that this makes it different. And then the number of times Obano as a son a normal. no dey normal. Ebi kwa could do 25, which is normal to us because they say they you it's okay. So Charlie, the way a sit side and it bright me. So thank you very much for watching, and then please don't forget to subscribe.